The engines come alive in the early Hanoi morning, and just like that, the journey begins. For Mr. Woods and his sons, this isn't just another ride, it's a shared adventure, a road that brings generations together. We leave the city behind and roll straight into the green valleys of Mai Chau, where the first breath of mountain air sets the tone for the days ahead. Day 2 takes us higher, deeper, toward the cloud kingdom of Ta Xua. The cliffs, the winding bends, the sea of clouds drifting beside your handlebars, it's the kind of place that reminds you why you love motorbikes in the first place. From Ta Xua, we carve our way through Tu Lo and the golden terraces of Mu Cang Chai, before dropping into the hot spring haven of Ngoc Chien. It's a perfect pause, a quiet valley, wooden cabins, warm mineral water easing away the dust of the trail.
Let's go! Oh shit!
Day 4 pulls us back into the mountains, climbing towards Sapa. The peaks get sharper, the air cooler, and the roads twist like ribbons around the hills. It's northern Vietnam at its finest. As we ride down toward Vu Linh on day 5, the landscape opens into Thac Ba Reservoir, a peaceful lakeside village where the sunset seems endless. It's the calm before the final stretch.
I slow down before the corner, right, I start to accelerate through the corner, but I control my speed with the back brake. Then I release my brake, and in that way to check the tension's already in the chain, so it's...
And on day 6, those last kilometers back to Hanoi feel different. The helmets come off, the engine's cool, but the story stays, the kind of ride you remember not just for the roads, but for who you shared them with. Thank you, Mr. Woods and your sons, for riding with us. It was an honor to share this adventure with your family.